It's a 2012 Chevrolet Malibu. Smart and alluring, it'll impress you with its safety measures, fuel efficiency, and overall performance. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: external memory control, remote engine start, front heated bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, wireless phone connectivity, leather steering wheel, inline 4-cylinder engine, power sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Car and Driver observes the latest Malibu looks great, drives well, offers good fuel economy and 4-cylinder guise, and might just be the best family sedan ever brought forth by a domestic automaker. Chevy, 100 years of icons. Experience it for yourself today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.